There's no traffic behind me. This is Steve AB4EL, just being nosy. Yeah, I'm at Food Lion. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending. Oh, they got this one here. You see they're working up there. Now, hang on. They got that super dinosaur over there. Hang on. Hang on, we got to get a view of this. Hang on. It's once in a lifetime, you know? High skill, specialized work. Re-architecting the front of an older building. I'm not going to say old building, but older. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Enough of my nonsense. Steve AB4EL at Food Lion. On Dixie Drive, that they're doing the renovation. Hooray! Saying see you at 73. Oh, I get to park closer. Saying see you in 73. Okay, folks, this is your last chance to see the Alpine skilled constructionists putting a new facade appearance on the store. It'll be interesting to see if they do it on other stores or this is the one getting special treatment. This is my regular store. See, he's cutting it to size. There you go. I couldn't quite understand him because they habla español. But you know, they might be from the Aztec nation. You never can tell. 10,000 feet. Steve AB4EL, just having fun on this. It's trying to rain. I hope it does. Friday afternoon, saying see you at 73.